No. New hashtag. Forget hashtag mod the matrix, okay?
Mod the matrix.
Forget hashtag mod the matrix. We got a new hashtag.
Mod the Miata.
Mod
the Mazda.
Are you fucking?
What are you doing?
Mod the Mazda. You know, I just got her clean. She's super shiny. I was taking my plates off because my license plates came in, and I thought to myself, I don't want this shit on my car anymore. I don't want that. I don't want that.
I want this.
I don't want that. Just kidding. I put that there. No, I don't want to get rid of that.
Oh.
Actually, would it just be white right there?
I might have holes. Let's look it up. We'll look it up on there.
Okay, we'll look it up. But we're gonna definitely get rid of her, and we're definitely gonna get rid of her. And she's gonna be sleek.
Credit card method.
How do we do it?
It doesn't fit. It doesn't work.
That's what she said.
We need dental floss or fishing.
It doesn't work?
Line. I mean, it will work, but you're gonna have to force it inside the memes.
Honestly, don't fret. We have Calvin with us. CalvinKnowsThings.com. .org? Who needs Calvin? I took it upon myself to go in my wallet, and I found some great things. What? Did you find something?
Oh.
I got it a little bit.
What are you doing?
What?
Where's the heat?
Oh, I didn't know that you needed heat. That's. I'm about to.
Stop! How do you go to CalvinKnowsThings.org and just...
I was just telling them, fuck Calvin, I'm doing it my own way.
Sabrina!
Okay, so you heat
Alright,
it and
fine.
then, no, get the heat. It would be smarter to do this one first since it's just one rip versus this one. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rips. Ooh, we got the heat. Ooh, she gonna look so good. Yeah, smash burger. That's it, I just heat it up and peel her off.
Hey, whoa, oh shit. What?
There's holes. Abort mission. There's holes.
It's fine. It's fine. It's a small hole. Would you rather the small hole or the big sky
I mean,
action?
she's honestly not that small.
She's small.
No, look at this.
Yeah, no, I saw it. I saw it. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Wait, what?
It's not that small. Oh, it's small. It's a tiny hole, and it's not ugly like the other hole. Oh, wait. Okay, alright.
I sent it. Oh, she gone.
She gone.
Oh, she gone. Those holes are fucking huge, bro. That looks so it's not that bad, actually.
They're not that bad. Pretty good.
Hey, that's a clean rip right there.
Pretty good, Sabrina. Your fingernails. Hey. Ooh, ew. On hot. Up, yeah. Everyone does a video like this.
Not us.
Yeah, we have.
Today. Oh, you have?
Yeah, we did it on my Beersy and TJ's Beersy.
Okay, well, I'm starting to like lose a little bit of hope because this is not coming off.
Well, you know, just give it a little heat. Blasto it. Hold it there.
Damn it!
Oh man, I missed it. You need this and some Sabrina grease.
Damn, dude.
Just use some Sabrina grease on
I'm
there.
gonna be driving this and like people are gonna, oh man, if we get rid of this, people are gonna be like,
That one will probably have big
is that
holes.
the new Lamborghini SUV? I don't know, because there ain't no badges on it, baby. Don't I need a rug, or a rug? Don't I need a rag or something?
Yeah, probably.
Well, what the fuck, bro?
I'm not gonna get you. I got you the thing. You're fucked.
Wait, are you fucking kidding me?
You're so done. It's not gonna come out, dude.
Wait, why?
It's not gonna come out.
What? Why?
That's
well,
just-
if I keep scrubbing it, won't it?
Oh, doesn't look like it's gonna come off.
What do you fucking do then? This is really fucking ugly. How do you stick it back on? Like, what if I need to... Dude!
Oh god.
Oh, there she goes.
It's everybody's first time at one time, you know.
Wow, this is my first, like, real mod that I'm doing. Like, TJ's not even in fucking sight, dude. This was all my idea. This was all me, man. All
Hey, you're looking good over here,
I'm
Sabrina.
looking fucking amazing.
Fabulous. You can put like a sticker there. Oh, you can put the hunt sticker there. A hunt sticker instead.
What if I, like, wrapped it around this way? Would that be kind of cool, or would that be kind of, like,
That'd be kind
fucking lame?
of. That'd be pretty lame.
probably
Don't just spray goo. What are you?
I thought it was funny. Ah, damn it. All right.
All right, next one.
Those holes look like shit.
No, they're fine.
No, you gotta put it back on.
Why?
You
What?
have holes in your brand new car?
No, the holes are fine. The holes are fine.
I'm gonna stick.
I'll give you some. You
I'm
can
gonna
put
stick
over
an
there.
Evan sticker right there.
Perfect. A peeker. I'll give you a peeker.
I dare you.
Peeker.
Go put.
I'll go get one.
No, no. Don't put an Evan Peaker on there.
Wait, is that the one where it's like
Yes. Remember Sabrina? Or you could just
Yes,
send.
I'm remembering the heat. I'm just getting her.
You could just send it. That's fine. That works too, I guess.
Oh god.
Hey, no holes.
Oh god, I'm gonna be fucking scrubbing out here for years.
No holes.
Wait, where did the Sky Active one go?
This one?
No, you idiot. The Sky Active. You're kidding.
Don't put a peaker, Beckerman. What the? Nobody wants your dumbass face on the car. Oh my
Covered
god.
the holes, sealed it from all the elements. You don't want those holes there. It'll have water coming in.
Oh, you're
He'll keep an eye on
You should have
Keep an eye on
you should make a mustacherman.
Well, you can see the top of the
No,
stash.
but like more mustache.
More stash?
More stash.
Just the stash.
But like no
There you go.
beard thing.
Wait, are you sure you want to take off that one if it's gonna have holes?
No,
Yeah,
that was no holes, Bex. No holes.
You should put that one back.
It's too bright over there.
The Sky Active.
No, fuck that.
Can I fill it in with some putty or something?
This is not a house. Sabrina. You cannot fill it in with spackle.
I don't fucking know.
Why would you let him put that on your car? What is this?
Obviously, I don't want his mug on the back of my vehicle. So.
Oh no!
Are you kidding me? Okay, best that the C has one, like right there.
I don't know.
What am I gonna do? Put a Mickey spec one on that? Why do all my vehicles turn into meme vehicles? Why? I'm just gonna have a nice car for once in my fucking life.
Oops.
God, I forgot to go in with.
The pre ones.
Rip my frequent buyer card at Village Mill Bread Company.
You don't even.
My bad.
Clearly, you don't fucking go there. Clearly, you don't go here either.
I honestly couldn't even tell you what this one is. What is this? Nail salon. Oh, we are.
Oh man, you're in there like swimwear.
We are here.
You're in there like micro bikinis.
I am fucking in.
Oh,
she is.
Doctor.
Mother. God.
Wait, are they even holes though? They might
No.
be. Yeah, they might be.
No, they aren't.
Yeah, they are.
It's gonna take forever. I don't want to do this anymore.
Stop. Gosh, you are the worst.
Dude, I honestly don't know how you work on your car for like hours. Like, I'm already bored. Damn. I mean, honestly, all you gotta do is just, and you'd never know. But
Hey, it looks good, Sabrina.
it's only.
I think they're even holes. Wait, hold on.
God, where's the Sabrina peekers around here? Don't have any, that's what. Oh man, who do I think I am? Now I have Evan and Mickey riding around with me everywhere I go. Just keeping an eye on people behind me. Damn, she looks.
Unbelievable.
You're the one that's always for the memes. Well, this is the memeiest you can get. This is not a bad meme. Wow, that is something else. I mean, if the holes are even, which when I take these shits off my car, we'll see. But it looks pretty good. I will not lie. I'm trying to imagine it without their ugly mugs on it, but I want TJ to see. I'm gonna go get TJ. Come here. Come here, will you see what I did?
I heard you put holes in the back of your.
I didn't put holes. There were holes, but I found a solution.
What would you not do?
I found a solution. No, it wasn't putting putty in it. I thought you could put putty in it, but you can't. Ladies first, go ahead.
He's gonna be so mad.
What did you do?
What did we do, Calvin? We did good things.
That's the car. Yeah, I put holes in it.
Wait. Okay, walk this way, but don't look at the back. 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 Okay, look at it. Oh man, it's so good. How do you not think that's funny?
If you're gonna do that, you should do that like on the windows or something.
Well, obviously,
Looks like there's nothing here.
I need to cover the holes with something.
Oh wait, that's covered.
You idiot! Doesn't even put two and two together. I think she looks great. I'm excited to take her
Mickey
for a
spec.
spin. Mickey spec, literally.
That is so brutal.